Hi, my name is Hinkson. Thanks for watching my videos. And this is my second experience. So, let's do it. We need a volcano. We need a paper plate. And this again. And this again if you watched in my other video. And this time, we're gonna use some soap. Baking soda and citric acid. But this time, actually, this is not the squirted like soap you used to wash. This is the soap you use to clean dishes. I need 2 large spoons of baking soda. One large spoon in. That was 1 large spoon of citric acid, and then I mixed it up. Now I have 15 milliliters of water. I need to. This is 1 spoon of soap. And we're gonna pour it in. And now mix. My timer. Pour it. Did you see that? It's like bigger this time. And by the way, I'm gonna teach you. Let's see if it burns. I'm just gonna. Why? And see you next time on acid video. That's what I told you do it because like we have been doing a lot of this. So let's say goodbye. Bye.